Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, doubts and level 1 questions. Any doubts anyone has? No doubt. Everything solved or not solved? No one has doubt?
No, ma'am.
All solved?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have like 5 or 6 more questions to go. So far, I have no doubt.
Okay, good then. How is possible today? That's no doubts. Niranjan solved everything.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Okay.
26th one, R.D. Sharma.
26th one. Then it is the NCERT one. Fine. Statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of the pedestal from a point on the ground. The angle of elevation of top of statue is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of top of pedestal is 45 degree. First is a pedestal, that means a part on which the statue is placed. This is pedestal, and over that it is a statue which is 1.6 meter from a point on the ground. Distance is not given. This angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and top of the pedestal, that means this position, is 45 degree from the same point. This is 45 degree. You have to calculate the height of the pedestal. So that means height of the pedestal, they have asked, consider h, and the distance between the point of observation and pedestal consider as x. This is 90 degree. AB is a statue, BC is a pedestal. Tan 45. BCP triangle. In triangle BCP, angle P is 45. So we have to use tan 45 is equal to h by x. 1 is equal to h by x. H is equal to x. And then ACP triangle. Tan 60 is equal to opposite side is 1.6 plus h divided by base is x. Tan 60 is root 3. 1.6 plus h by h, because x and h are equal. H root 3 is equal to 1.6 plus h. H into root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 is the answer. Root 3 minus 1, rationalize it. 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1, which is 2. 1.6 by 2 into root 3 plus 1, that is 0.8. Substitute value of 0.3, that is 2.732 bracket into 0.8. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other doubts?
Ma'am,
Yeah, waiting for you.
Ma'am, 41, 42, 43, and 45.
40, no 40, no 41.
41.
The angle of elevation of top of chimney from the top of tower is 60 degree. From top of the chimney angle of elevation. That means which is taller?
Ma'am, what?
From top of tower, the angle of elevation of top of chimney is given. So
Ma'am,
which is taller here?
chimney.
Chimney is taller. So this is tower and this is chimney. From this angle of elevation, from the top of the tower, top of chimney's angle of elevation is 60 degree. This is tower and this is chimney. Then the angle of depression of foot of chimney from the top of tower is 30 degree. From the top of tower, angle of depression of foot of chimney is 30 degree. If the height of the tower is 40 meter, so this is 40 meter, find the height of chimney. So height of chimney you have to calculate, so that we will consider as h. Total is h. Always think, I have seen students, they're asking part by part. And final, generally I have seen students here, mistake I will tell you. What they do, this part is considered, they will consider this part as h. This is already 40. This is 40, so this is 40. And generally students consider for this part. Suppose this is A, B is a chimney, E point is here. So they will consider AE as H and they will calculate H and kept as it is. What is actually needed to find out?
H plus 40.
H plus 40, but student what they do in hurriedly, they will consider AE as H and they add the end value, and H plus 40 adding, they will forget, and due to which the question goes wrong. That 1 marks at the end, 1 marks they will lose. So always whatever the part you have to calculate at the end, they have asked in the exam, for that full thing consider as a H or X. Anything you want to consider as a variable, you can use it. That means at the end you are not supposed to do any other additions or fractions. Always. Then what is given? According to pollution control norm, the minimum height of a smoke emitting chimney should be 100 meter. State if the height of above mentioned chimney meets the pollution norm and what value is discussed. Value leave it out. We have to check out, it should be above 100. So we have to check out H and then check whether it will satisfy the rule or not. So AE will be, if AB we have considered the height of chimney as H, so what is the value of AE?
H minus 40.
It is H minus 40, and then find out the value of H by using two triangle property. Base consider as X. So here it is tan 30, 40. This is also XCD if you consider. CE consider as X. So it is tan 30 is equal to 40 by X. 1 by root 3 is equal to 40 by X. So X is equal to 40 root 3. And then the another triangle, upper triangle, tan 60 is equal to H minus 40 by X. Root 3 X is equal to H minus 40. Substitute value of H. Root 3 into 40 root 3 is equal to H minus 40. So 40 root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 into 40, 120 plus 40 is equal to H. This is 160 meter. H value is 160 meter. It is more than 100. So it will follow the rule. It has followed the rule. That's it. 41 after that.
42. The problem is
What is the problem?
I'm not getting the diagram, ma'am. How to draw it?
Keep thinking on this. That's I cannot help you out because this thinking and Then only you can do it.
Ma'am, for this question also I drew the diagram wrong.
Why? So you have to consider from where that angles has been considered. So you have to check on this one, reading that part properly.
Okay, ma'am.
So from where, what is the point of observation? And then think of whether it is angle of elevation or angle of depression.
Okay.
Two ships are there in the sea on the either side of lighthouse in such a way that ships and the lighthouse are in the same straight line. The angle of depression of two ships are observed from the top of the lighthouse are 60 and 45 respectively. If the height of the lighthouse is 200 meters, find the distance of two ships. On either side. So on either side means on both the sides they are. Opposite side of each other from the lighthouse. So what is the point of observation? This is the level. Lighthouse is here. Ships are on either side. This is one ship and this side is one ship. So what they have told, what is the point of observation? Ground or top of lighthouse.
Top of lighthouse.
So here is the top of lighthouse. From here the angle of depression. So that means when the person is standing at the top of a lighthouse, he is looking downwards. So this is the angle of this is line of sight. So this is the horizontal line you have to draw. So these the angle of depressions. They have given us this is 160 and 45 degree. So one is 60 and another one is 40. 45, sorry, not 40. So distance between the ship you have to calculate. This is 60, that means this is 60. That is 45, so this is 45. Alternate interior angles. The height of the lighthouse is 200 meter. So calculate this distance plus this distance.
Yes, ma'am, I'll calculate.
Other,
43rd one.
Nisarga, I have done. Is there Nisarga? Nisarga, have you done 43rd one? Mike. Nivedya, have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, how to tell me how to do? The horizontal distance between two poles is 15 meter. The angle of depression of the top of first pole as seen from the top of second pole is 30 degree. If the height of the second pole is 24 meters, find the height of the first pole.
Ma'am, the horizontal line is 15
Hmm.
and then one pole is 24 meters
This is 24 meter.
and the other we have to find.
It is at lower or more taller. The second one is taller or smaller, shorter. The second tower is taller than the first tower or shorter.
Shorter.
Is 24 meter is the second tower. No, first or second tower is it is
So
24 meter is the first or second pole.
second pole.
So this is second pole. So first pole is at a what they have given angle of depression of the top of the first pole as seen from the top of second pole. So this is second pole, and it is depression of the first pole. So that means first pole is shorter. So from here, the angle of depression. So this is given 30 degree.
30.
Find the, if the height of the second pole is 24 meter, find the height of the first pole. So height of the first pole we have to calculate. So draw horizontal line here. This is 30. Full is 24. This part is h. This part is 24 minus h. This is 15, so this is 15. Use this. Use tan 30 is equal to 24 minus h by 15 and solve. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
After that,
Ma'am, 45.
45 is yesterday only we have solved this NCRT 16 question. NCRT 16 question is 45th one. Yesterday
Yes, ma'am.
only we have solved.
I'm sorry, 46, not 45.
From the top of 50-meter high tower, the angle of depressions of
Ma'am, you had told only till 45th.
No, ma'am told 46.
Ma'am, you told only till level 1, right? 45th one, only till there you told.
20 questions I told.
Ma'am?
Then solve, everyone solve 46th one right now then. Everyone solve 46th one. From the top of 50-meter high tower, the angle of depression of top and bottom of a pole are observed to be 45 and 60 degree. Angle of depression of top also and bottom also. That means which is taller? Among which is taller? From the top of 50-meter high tower, the angle of depression of top and bottom of the pole are observed to be 45 and 60. Which is taller here? More quick. Anand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, which is taller here? Pole or tower?
Can you repeat the question?
46th one.
I'm getting a question out. 1 second.
What happened?
On page number.
Mine is older one.
It's 12.32.
Okay, thanks. 12.32. Yes, 46th one, right? Top of 50-meter tower, the angles of depression, the top and the bottom of a pole is observed to be 45 and 60 respectively.
Which is taller here?
The tower pole.
Pole is
Sorry.
taller.
No. Top of 50-meter tower, the angles of depression, the top of the bottom. Angles of depression, so not inclination. So the pole is smaller.
So this is taller. And the pole is shorter.
Because of angles of depression.
Both top and bottom are at the angle of depressions.
So
we
then
have done. This is second.
top is 45 and bottom is 60.
So this is 45 and this is 60.
60. Alternate interior angles.
This is 50-meter high tower. The full height of the tower is 50 meter. Height of the pole is h.
To be found.
Has to be found out. That is h. A, B, C, D. This is AB is h. So DE will be H. So CE will be 50 minus H. AE consider as X. AE is equal to X. CE is equal to 50 minus H. We have considered CD is given as 50 meter. AB we have considered as H meters. And then find out tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to opposite by adjacent 50 minus H by X. 1 is equal to 50 minus H by X. X is equal to 50 minus H. Now next triangle, the bigger triangle, tan 60 is equal to CE. CE is fully 50 divided by base is X. So root 3 into X is equal to 50. X is equal to 50 by root 3. Substitute this value in the earlier equation. X is equal to, 50 by root 3 is equal to 50 minus H. Root 3 goes here. 50 is equal to root 3 into 50 minus root 3 into H. So root 3 into H is minus value. We'll take it this side. Root 3H is equal to 50 root 3 minus 50. 50 into root 3 minus 1 is equal to root 3H. So H is equal to 50 into root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Rationalize it. So 50 root 3 inside bracket only we are multiplying 3 minus root 3 divided by 3. So first find out 3 minus root 3 value, multiply with 50 and then only divide by 3. At the first only don't take approximate answer. 50 into 3 minus 1.732. 1.268. 50 into 1.268 by 3.
Ma'am, we are supposed to simplify that last equation fully.
Yes, you have to do.
Ma'am, I got it as 21.13.
21.13, right?
Ma'am, can you scroll it a bit up?
Ma'am, isn't it 63.4 by 3?
63 by, yeah, find out that value.
Okay, ma'am. No, ma'am, that step is correct, no, ma'am. 63.
Yeah.
Fine, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Divide with 3, 21.13.
Ma'am, I got 21.13.
Yes, right answer.
Ma'am, are we starting level 2 questions today?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, is the answer 21.13?
21.13, right answer. Next question. Level 2, first 3 questions, no problem. Fourth one. Fifth one, that is 63rd one. The angle of elevation of aeroplane from the point on the ground is 45 degree. After a flight of 15 seconds, the elevation changes to 30 degree. If the aeroplane is flying at a height of 3000 meters, find the speed of the aeroplane. So you have to calculate the speed of aeroplane. For that, first draw the diagram, then we will check out how to find out the speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. Time is given, we have to calculate distance. So for what distance exactly we have to calculate, check out. So this is a ground level, aeroplane is flying here. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation is found to be 45 degree. So this angle of elevation is 45 degree of its initial position. This is the initial position is A. Then after a flight of 15 seconds, so that means it has moved 15 seconds further. So suppose it has covered this much distance in 15 seconds. That is, it has reached B in 15 seconds. the angle of elevation changes to 30. So angle of elevation of the point B now is 30 degree. If the aeroplane is flying at a height of 3000 meters, so that means point A above the ground as well as point B above the ground is same, which is 3000 meters. So we can consider this is C, D, and E is the point of observation. So we have known the time duration from moving from A to B. The plane is moving from A to B itself. So distance covered by time is the speed. So we have to calculate the distance covered between A to B. So this means AB distance we have to calculate to find out the speed. So for finding speed, we have to calculate the value AB. Okay. For this, consider this height is 3000. DE consider CD we will consider as X. So first ADE triangle we can use. In this, tan 45 is equal to AD by DE. AD is 3000 divided by DE. Tan 45 is 1 into DE is equal to 3000. So DE is equal to 3000 meters. So we got this as 3000. Then next what to do, which triangle and which angle has to be considered, ratio has to be considered. Further what to be done?
Ma'am, EBC, we can find out the total EC. And then we can find out X after that, and we can like substitute it for AB after that.
Okay. So in triangle ABC, which ratio?
Tan 30.
Tan 30. Opposite is BC and base or adjacent is EC. Tan 30, 1 by root 3. BC is 3000 and EC fully it is 3000 plus X. So cross multiply and find the value of X first because X is equal to AB. 3000 plus X is equal to 3000 root 3. So X is equal to 3000 root 3 minus 3000. So take 3000 common. Root 3 minus 1 is the value of X. So this is AB is equal to X only. Value of AB is equal to X, that is 3000 root 3 minus 1. Now we have to calculate the speed. AB distance is DC, that is X. We have calculated. Now finding speed is equal to distance by time. So what is distance? 3000 into root 3 minus 1 divided by time is 15 seconds. These many meters and this is second. So we'll get the speed in meter per second. 15, 200. So find out 200 into root 3 minus 1 meter per second is the speed. And find the final answer by substituting value of root 3. 0.732. That is 2 into 73.2. 146.4 meter per second. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And mark this question in the textbook.
Ma'am, scroll down.
Ma'am, done.
Then solve the next question. 64th one, exactly same question. Completed? Completed. Then next question, 64th one, the same question. Similar type of a question, values only different. Completed? What happened? You got or you stuck?
Now I'm getting 1 by root 3 plus x is equal to root 3. Ma'am?
Yes, I'm solving.
Okay, ma'am.
This is at a height of 1 kilometer above the ground. Angle of elevation, first angle is 60 degrees. And the second one changes to 30 degree. The flight of 10 seconds. From A to B, time taken is 10 seconds. So again, same, this is 1 kilometer, ADE triangle, tan 60 is equal to 1 by D root 3 is equal to 1 by DE. So DE is equal to 1 by root 3. This is 1 by root 3. Then tan 30 is equal to BC by EC. That is 1 divided by EC is 1 by root 3 plus x. 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3 plus x is equal to 1. 1 by 3 plus x by root 3 is equal to 1. X by root 3 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3. So it is 2 by 3 into root 3 is the value of x. 2 root 3 by 3 is the value of x. That means distance covered is 2 root 3 by 3. AB is equal to x is equal to 2 root 3 by 3. And now we have to calculate speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is 2 root 3 by 3 kilometers. This is we got in kilometers. And then time is needed in hours because they have hour speed in kilometer per hour. So time 10 seconds. Converting into hours will be, how to convert into hours? No one knows.
Divided by 60 into 60.
Divided by 60. So this 0 get cancelled. 1 by 360 hour. So that is, it is 1 by 360 hours. So 2 root 3 by 3 into 360. That is 120. 120 into 2. That is 240 root 3. So 240 into root 3 multiply.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
I mean, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, from the tan 30 part, I didn't get it, ma'am. You said tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 plus x. After that, how did that become 1 by root 3?
This will go this side. This is 1 by root 3 is equal to 1 divided by 1 by root 3 plus x. So
Yes,
this part will go here multiplication. So
Oh,
that is
like
what I
that.
have done.
Okay, ma'am.
This full part, instead of simplifying this, I have taken full part this side
Oh, okay, ma'am.
and then multiplied both of them. So 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3 is 1 by 3. plus x into 1 by root 3, that is x by root 3.
Okay, ma'am.
So this 1 by root 3 goes this RHS as minus 1 by root 1 by 3. Then simplifying. So 2 by 3 into root 3.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
till x I found it in meter per second. After that only I converted to kilometer.
fine. You got the same answer, then no problem. You can find out in meter per second by converting that 1 meter is equal to 1000 meters. If you do that way also, it is okay.
Ma'am, is it 415.68?
Yes, right. Yeah. And there is a one next question which is very important. Write it down. It is not there in the that part. Exercise. It is not in an exercise question. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meter above the lake is found to be 30 degree. Is 30 degree, and the angle of depression of the reflection of cloud in the lake is 60 degree. Find the height of the cloud. Read the question carefully.
Cloud itself, not the distance of not the height on the lake to the cloud.
From the cloud, it's high. This one, from lake to cloud height we have to calculate. Height of the cloud above the lake only.
Ma'am, but isn't that like already given 60 meters?
No, point of observation is 60 meter. The angle of elevation of cloud from a point of 60 meter above the lake is 30 degree.
We should do it.
The 30 degrees, point where the 30 degree lies on is 60 meters.
Above the lake. Point of observation, the person who is
Okay,
looking
it's
at
not on the
cloud.
ground level.
Yeah, it is not on the this one exactly lake.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
So it's similar condition as he is in the balcony of the house, which is 60 meter above the lake. And from that, he is seeing the cloud, which is above lake at an angle of elevation of 30 degree. And in the lake, he is seeing its reflection. That reflection's angle of depression is 60 degree. This is very important question. In school exam, generally they will repeat it. Many times they have repeated. And all the school generally repeat this. So, anyone diagram clear? Anyone could draw?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. I can try.
Yes, right?
Ma'am, I drew it.
Okay. Show, send me the picture.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'll just label it, ma'am, 1 sec.
Others who could solve. Rose, have you tried?
Yes, ma'am, I've tried. Should I send it to you?
Yes, send me.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, even I got something. Even I sent.
Yes, send me. Whoever have completed, send me.
A, B, C, D. Ah. E, E.
Yes, Rose, you're right. Only draw the proper line between the cloud and reflection.
Yes, ma'am.
I got something. I'll just send it.
No, the Niranjana, no, it's wrong. Prisha, exactly right. No, 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 no. Wrong. Prisha, wrong.
Ma'am, I sent it just now.
No, Shreya, it's wrong. No, sorry, this one also. Rose, no, it's wrong. No, Rishi, wrong. No, Vishnu, completely wrong. No, Tia. Now see. No, Ved or the whoever sent. Here it is a lake. This is if we consider as a lake. Point of observation is 60 meter above the ground. So here is the point of observation. Cloud is seen which is at an angle of elevation. The cloud height is more. Somewhere, suppose here. So from here to here, the angle of elevation is 30 degree. Now this is a cloud. See, where is its reflection? Lake water is a transparent. Here it will work as a reflecting surface. So it will work as a mirror. So image is formed. Where its image is formed? Inside the lake or above the lake?
Inside the lake.
How much distance?
Water distance C is plus 60 meter.
So this is the lake on the ground. So this distance, this is the height of the cloud. So the same distance inside the lake, image will be formed. Because object C is the object. This is a mirror. So whatever the distance object is, the same distance image is formed. Here. So this is C dash. It is its reflection. So C dash is the reflection which is on the same straight line, and the distance from the lake and the cloud, this distance and this distance is equal. So if you consider this as H, this will be also H. And then this points us angle of depression from here. This is 60 degree from the point of observation. Clear? Is the diagram clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So now solving. This is A, B, C, C dash. Here if you consider D, this is point E. DE is equal to AB is equal to 60 meter. So this is 60 meter. So CD is equal to H. So CE is equal to CD is equal to H. That is
60
C dash.
minus H.
60 minus
60
H.
minus 60 CE,
H
no.
minus 60.
H minus 60.
60.
H minus 60. So this
H minus
is
60.
H minus 60. This is 60. Now for this triangle, for considering 60 degrees, we need C dash E. So what is C dash E?
H plus 60.
So it is H plus 60, right? Now we use two triangles and we use the tan ratios. Tan 30 above triangle. In this triangle, tan 30 is equal to opposite H minus 60 and consider AE as X. So tan 30 is equal to H minus 60 by X. 1 by root 3 is equal to H minus 60 by X. Cross multiply. X is equal to root 3 into H minus 60. This is equation 1. Now use the lower triangle AEC dash. Tan 60 is equal to C dash E by AE. Tan 60 is equal to C dash E by AE. So tan 60 is root 3 is equal to C dash E is H plus 60 by AE is X. So root 3x is equal to H plus 60. So x is equal to H plus 60 by root 3. This is second equation. Both are the values of x. So we have to equate it. Root 3 into H minus 60 is equal to H plus 60 by root 3. So this root 3 will go this side. Root 3 into root 3 will become 3. 3 into H minus 60 is equal to H plus 60. So 3H minus 180 is equal to H plus 60. 3H minus H is equal to 60 plus 180. So 240 is equal to 2H. H is equal to 120 meters. So height of the cloud above the lake is 120 meters. Reflection is always formed inside the lake, not above the lake.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Ma'am, these kind of questions will come for the exam, right?
Yes, this is an exam question and repeatedly ask this question. In one of the exam of school, you will get this question.
Okay, ma'am.
So ma'am, you will definitely get this question at least once.
Yeah, at least once you'll get it.
Ma'am, the same type of question or somewhat similar to this?
Same question with different values.
Okay, ma'am.
Sometimes value also same. Okay, we'll start science after this. So you have to do very few questions. Yes, level 1 questions you have to finish. 46 onwards. No, 46 already done. So 47, 48 till 58 you have now. New book has 58 question, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you have to finish that and till 62. 5 more questions. 10 plus 5, 15 questions you have to finish. Level 2 first 5 questions. Not 5, 4 only. Fifth one you already have done. So those questions finish it. So tomorrow again and properly do it, because tomorrow's class, that's all value the proving part from this chapter we have to solve.
Ma'am, you are proving even in this chapter.
Yes, proving means instead of values they have given alpha beta. Instead of angles, the word is used alpha and beta angles are used.